So technology is developing day by day. And because of the technology, we are getting more and more advanced tools and technologies. So today in this video, I'm just going to discuss about the 5 different AI tools through which actually we can redeem our work pressure as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the very first AI is AI faces. Through this, you can actually edit your photos. If you don't know the photography, if you don't know the photo editing, and you click very raw pictures and you actually want to enhance a picture. So by using this tool, you can actually remove the background of the picture, you can enhance the saturation, contrast of your picture, and you can do many more things by using this particular AI tool. There are actually some cool features as well. You can swap faces, you can create your picture to AI, you can create your picture to animation, and lot of options are available through this AI tool. So you must try if you want to create or edit more creative pictures. Number 2, AI history. If you are a history student, or if you are a history teacher, or if you are involved in anything history, so this AI will help you to find more and more authentic informations. How? Let me tell you. So this is called mylens.ai, and through this AI tool, you can actually identify or you can generate the information of any particular historical event. For example, if you want to know about the independence of your own country, and if you want to know about the name of the freedom fighters, or if you want to know a lot of things about any particular story or any particular personality, you can actually give the command to this AI tool, and this AI tool will generate all informations for you for your thesis, research, or your classwork, or your homework. So I think this AI tool is very amazing for the history students. Number 3, AI transform. If you are an interior designer, or if you want to change the interior of your room and you do not have much more experience of interior designing, so this AI tool can help you to identify the correct using of the space and the correct using of the colors of your home or of your room. So this AI tool is roomai.com. So this will transform your rule as per your needs. You can write the commands, what kind of room or what kind of environment you need in your house, and this AI will give you the best to best interior designs of your house. So if you are an interior designer, or if you want to change the interior of your house, you can try this tool as well. Number 4 is you can create your own chat AI clone. For this, you actually have to visit this website, and then you can actually give some command to the chat GPT, through which it will create your own clone of your own website. Through this, you can actually give the suggestions of likes, comment, or you can upload the videos, or you can upload the pictures, and you can do many more things by using this clone. So this will help you to create a duplicate of new AI tool. So this will help you in using this clone feature for your assignments or for your research paper, and this will make you a new software developer. Number 5, AI voice changer. Through this, you can actually do a lot of voiceovers, and you can change your pitch, tone, and your totally voice, of course, as well, because this is an AI voice changer. Through this, you can actually dub into many more voices, and you can actually use many more languages for using the voiceovers. If you need any female voice, you just have to give the command to the application to change your voice into a female voice. So this AI will change your voice to AI voice as well, but you have to upload your own voice. Through this, you can actually change your voice, and that's why the name of this application is voicechanger.ai. So these are the 5 amazing AI tools that can help you to redeem your work pressure, and that can make you more cool in front of your friends or colleagues. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to watch these videos as well of our channel. And if you are new into the channel, please subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.